Hey y'all, this is Kim with Creative Escapades, and you remember this vase from my previous video if you have been able to watch it, and you'll also remember this pumpkin that I wanted to pour paint onto the vase and let it roll down and onto the pumpkin, hoping that it would coat it. However, it did not quite work out how I saw it in my head. And sometimes that just happens. So I have taken the leftover paint in my cups and I've made a dirty cup of paint, and I'm just going to start pouring it over this pumpkin and see what we get. I love these colors together. These are all metallics by Artist Loft. It's metallic orange, yellow, green, and copper. They're all mixed with Floetrol. I did not put any water in these paints simply because this is a paper mache pumpkin, and I was afraid too much or too thin might not bode well for the pumpkin itself. I did coat it with some spray paint in orange and green and hit it with a little bit of gold, so some of that may come through as well, but we'll just see what happens by pouring this dirty cup over the pumpkin. Since it did not go well with the vase. See, in my head I see it flowing down so nicely over the sides of the vase and just completely coating the pumpkin beneath it. But alas, that's not what happened. Maybe if I did it reverse, poured on the pumpkin and then let it drip down onto the vase, it might would have worked. So I've got all of the paint on here now, and I'm going to let this set, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. And while I'm doing that, just let me invite you to click like and share. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, you can subscribe now and ring that bell. You'll get notified when I upload future videos. And y'all make my channel grow when you do all that, and I really appreciate it. The description of everything that I used will be below in the description box, and here it is dried. I have not put any varnish or anything on this, but I will soon. So I want to thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in my next Creative Escapade. Bye-bye.